In this video we're going to show you how to easily set up your remote control roller blind. Firstly, we need to pair up the control to the motor, and we do this by pressing the program button on the head of the motor as shown. Press and hold for around 3 seconds until the blind gives you a response. Now, using a small paper clip or pin, we have to press the small program button on the back of the control until it clicks. The blind will then give another response, indicating that we now have control of the blind and we are ready to set up the upper and lower limits. Setting your blind's travel limits is like giving them a roadmap of where to start and stop. Let's start with the top spot. Press and hold the program button on the back of your remote while also pressing the up arrow on the front. Keep them held down until the red light flashes on the motor. Now, use the arrows on the remote to guide the blind to where you would like it to stop when fully up, and when happy, press the program button on the back of the remote to set this position. Repeat this step to set the lower limit, but this time, press and hold the program button along with the down arrow on the remote to start the process. When positioning the blind, you can also use the side arrows to give a more precise movement. Your remote blind is now set.